Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Bitrix24 account detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your Bitrix24 account, start by opening the Bitrix24 login page in your web browser. Enter your email address associated with your account in the designated field. Click on the Forgot Your Password link found below the login fields. You will be directed to a new page asking for your email again. Re-enter your email address and click on the Send button. Check your email inbox for a message from Bitrix24. If you don't see it in your inbox, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the password reset link provided. Click on the link, which will take you to a password reset page. Enter your new password in the specified field. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the following field. After entering the passwords, click on the Reset Password button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully changed. Return to the Bitrix24 login page. Enter your email address and the newly created password. Click the Login button to access your account. You have now successfully reset your Bitrix24 account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.